Hi, I'm William with Houston Landscape Pros. Here in Houston and surrounding areas, the winter can bring freezing temperatures that can have a negative impact on your sprinkler system backflow device. Today I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do in order to make sure your backflow device does not break during the winter freezing temperatures. This is a FEBCO 765, which is the backflow. If your device looks different, you can still follow the same instructions, as all the backflow devices have similar shutoff valves, and the process is basically the same. The first thing you need to do is you need to go ahead and turn this valve to the off position by turning it perpendicular to the pipe. That way you shut off the water from going into the device. The next thing you need to do is you need to come to these little small valves which are closed, and you're going to open them. And a little bit of water is going to drain here, which is perfectly normal. You're basically draining the water of this device. The last thing you have to do is you come over here and shut this valve off, perpendicular with this pipe here. And then you have to make sure that this pipe is it's insulated like it is right now. That way, once you don't have water here, basically this device is perfectly safe for the winter, and it will not break because there's basically no water inside there. And that is all.